Writing college essays can feel overwhelming, especially when you are staring at a blank page and do not know where to start. In this video, I'm going to show you how to write college essays with ChatGPT in a simple, step-by-step way. This method can help you organize your thoughts, build a strong structure, and save time while still keeping your essay personal and original. And if you find this helpful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech tutorials and AI tips. Alright, let's get into it. The first step is to give ChatGPT a clear topic. This is important because the better your prompt is, the better your essay will be. Open ChatGPT and type your essay topic in a clear sentence. For example, you could say, write an essay on climate change with an introduction, body, and conclusion. You can also be more specific if your assignment has a particular angle, theme, or question. If your prompt is vague, the output may be too generic, so always try to be specific from the beginning. Once you have your topic ready, the next step is to add your requirements. This is where you guide ChatGPT so it writes the essay in the style you need. Mention details like the word limit, the tone, and the structure. For example, you can say, write 800 words, formal tone, with headings. If your professor wants a certain format, include that too. You might ask for an introduction, several body paragraphs, and a conclusion. The more instructions you give, the closer the result will be to what you actually need. Now, here's a helpful tip. If you want the essay to sound more academic, you can ask ChatGPT for that directly. You can also tell it to make the language simple, persuasive, reflective, or analytical, depending on the assignment. This is a great way to match the essay to your course requirements. For college writing, tone matters a lot, so do not skip this step. After that, generate the essay and then edit it carefully. ChatGPT will usually give you a full draft very quickly, but you should never submit it exactly as it is without reviewing it first. Read through the essay and make small changes so it reflects your own voice. This is where you can improve the flow, adjust sentences, and add your own ideas. Adding personal insights, class examples, or specific details will make your essay feel more original and natural. This part is especially important because college essays should not sound copied or generic. Even if ChatGPT gives you a strong draft, your job is to shape it into something that sounds like you. Think of ChatGPT as a writing assistant, not a replacement for your own thinking. Use it to build the foundation, then add your own perspective on top of it. The final step is to improve and proofread your essay. You can go back to ChatGPT and ask it to make the essay more academic, check the grammar, or add examples. For example, you might say, make it more academic, check grammar, and add examples. You can also ask it to simplify complicated sentences or improve transitions between paragraphs. This extra rounded editing can make a big difference in the final quality of your work. Before submitting, always read the essay one more time yourself. Check for spelling, grammar, and formatting issues. Make sure the essay answers the assignment properly and follows any instructions from your teacher or professor. If possible, compare it with your class notes or course material so it matches what you have been learning. That last review step can save you from mistakes and help you turn in a stronger final draft. So to recap, the process is simple. First, give ChatGPT a clear topic. Second, add your requirements like word count, tone, and structure. Third, generate the essay and edit it with your own ideas. And fourth, improve it by asking for academic wording, grammar checks, and examples. Follow these steps and you'll be able to use ChatGPT much more effectively for college writing. If this video helped you, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more tutorials like this. And if you want, I can also help you turn this into a stronger outline, a better prompt, or a full essay workflow for your next assignment. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.